My name is Mahmood Qureshi, teacher of PS Sheikh Mullah Kandi, clubbed with UPS Kandiwala. Today is 13th June 2020. Dear students, our topic is exercise of rankles, which is taken from 8th class English textbook. The exercise of this poem is begun from the question. The question is, how many rankles does the poet find on the mother's face? शायर ने माँ के चेहरे पर कितनी झुर्रियाँ पाईं, कितनी झुर्रियाँ मालूम की? The answer is, the poet became bold and counted the rankles on his mother's face. शायर ने बहादुरी के साथ माँ के चेहरे पर झुर्रियाँ गिनी. He found 4 rankles. उसने 4 झुर्रियाँ पाईं on the face of his mother. माँ के चेहरे पर. So the answer of this question is, the poet became bold and counted the rankles on his mother's face. He found 4 rankles on the face of his mother. Next question is, what does the first rankle represent? पहली झुर्री क्या represent करती है? Answer is, the first rankle represent the sacrifice of a mother. पहली झुर्री माँ की कुर्बानी दिखाती है. When she is uprooted in father's house, जब उसे उखाड़ कर लाया जाता है बाप के घर से, and planted in the other's courtyard, और दूसरे के शहर में ला कर लगाया जाता है. And woman is born at one place, औरत एक जगह पे पैदा होती है, and dies at another place, और दूसरी जगह मरती है. This is the fate of woman. यही औरतों की तकदीर है. But she remained quiet and cool about all her sacrifice. लेकिन वो अपनी तमाम कुर्बानियों पे मुतमय्यन और खामोश रहती हैं. What did, question number 3 is, what did the second and third rankle represent? दूसरी और तीसरी झुर्री क्या रिप्रेजेंट करती है? The second rankle represent the sacrifice of a mother. दूसरी झुर्री माँ की कुर्बानी रिप्रेजेंट करती है. When she nursed her child with her own blood inside her womb. जब वो परवरिश करती है अपने बच्चे की अपने खून से, अपने रहम के अंदर. She tolerates all the troubles. वो बर्दाश्त करती है तमाम परेशानियाँ. With smile, हंसते हंसते. The third rankle represents the sacrifice of a mother. तीसरी झुर्री रिप्रेजेंट करती है तो माँ की कुर्बानी. When she gave her breast to suck, जब वो अपनी छाती से बच्चे को दूध पिलाती है. She feeds his child with her blood. वो बच्चे को खिलाती है अपने खून से.